Blood vessels are a crucial part of the circulatory system, acting as the network of tubes that transport blood throughout the body. They form a complex highway ensuring that oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products are delivered and removed efficiently. Blood vessels come in three primary types: artery, vein, and capillaries, each with distinct structure and function. Arteries are thick walled vessels that carry oxygen rich blood to the tissues, from the heart to the tissues. And the veins carry blood from the tissues to the heart back. When the heart beats, it pushes blood into the arteries, creating a pulse that can be felt in places like wrist or neck. The walls of blood vessels are made of three distinct layers. The innermost layer is called the tunica intima. It's a smooth, thin lining of endothelial cells, which reduces friction as blood flows. The middle layer is called tunica media. Is made of smooth muscles and elastic fibers. This layer is crucial for regulating the diameter of the vessels and thus controlling blood pressure and flow. Finally, the outer layer is called tunica externa or tunica adventitia. Is composed of connective tissue which provides structural support and anchors the vessels to nearby tissues. Each of these layers plays a key role in the vessel's function and strength. This is made of connective tissue, providing structural support. Is made with more smooth muscles and elastic fibers, ensuring the flexibility and expand, contract, and expand with each heartbeat because it has to move with more pressure. While in the veins, this tunica media is a lot more thinner compared to arteries. It's less muscular and they rely on one way valves. Veins contain valves which allows the blood to move in one direction only. So, in short, arteries are built for strength and elasticity, while veins are designed for return flow with less pressure. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels, smallest and thinnest. They form web between arteries and veins. They form web or network between arteries and veins. Their walls are just one cell thick, allowing for the exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, nutrients like glucose, waste products like urea between blood and tissues. In fact, capillaries facilitate the critical exchange where oxygen and nutrients leave the blood to nourish cells, and carbon dioxide and waste products return to the bloodstream for removal. Together, all these three vessels form a dynamic system. Arteries and veins are often regulated by signals from the autonomic nervous system, adjusting the diameter of the vessels to meet the body's changing demands, whether it's during rest or intense physical activity. Diseases of blood vessels such as atherosclerosis can lead to serious health issues like heart attacks or strokes. Thus, maintaining vascular health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking is vital. In some, blood vessels are fundamental to sustain life, working as a cohesive system to keep every organ and cell in the body nourished and functional.